Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll solve exercise 1A from Mathematics 1. This is for standard 5 students. So now first question that is said, write down all the factors of 36. So how can we find out the factors? To understand factors, we can understand in this way. Suppose I said 12 is a number. So we can divide this 12 by some number. So we can divide this 12 by 1. So if we divide this 12 by 1, we'll get 12. So we can say 1 and 12 both are factors of 12. Similarly, if we want to divide this 12 by 2, we'll get 6. Then we can say 2 and 6 also are factors of 12. What about if I divide this 12 by 3? So if we divide this 12 by 3, we'll get 4. So we can say 3 and 4 also factors of 12. So we can say that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So there are 6 factors for 12. Very simple. Just we have to find out some number. Now look at the question. Question says you have to find out the factors of 36. So how can we find out? To find out this problem, we have to divide this 36 by some number. At first, divide this 36 by 1, you will get 36. Similarly, if you want to divide this 36 by 2, you will get 18. Again, if you want to divide this 36 by 3, you will get 12. Again, if you divide this 36 by 4, you will get 9. Similarly, if we want to divide this 36 by 6, we will get 6. So, at last we can say factors of 36 are, there are some number, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So, these numbers are factors of 36. Now, number 2. Number 2 says, write down all the factors of 60. Similarly, we can find out the factors of 60. So, how can we find out? We have to divide the 60 by some number. So, we can divide the 60 by 1, we'll get 60 here. If you want to divide the 60 by 2, we'll get 30 here. Similarly, if you want to divide the 60 by 3, we'll get 20. Again, if we want to divide the 60 by 4, we'll get 15. Similarly, if we want to divide the 60 by 5, we'll get 12. Again, 60 divided by 6, we'll get 10. That means we can say 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60. 5 multiplied by 12, 60. 4 multiplied by 15, 60. 3 multiplied by 20, 60. 2 multiplied by 30, 60. 1 multiplied by 60, that is 60. So, these numbers are factors of 60. So, we can say factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. So simple. Now, number 3. To solve this problem, we have to divide this 72 by 12. If we can divide this 72 by 12, then we can say 72 is a multiple of 12. 72 divided by 12. So we know that 6 12 is 72. That means 72 is divisible by 12. So we can say yes, 72 is a multiple of 12. Now, number 4. Number 4 says, write down all the factors of 154. So how can we find out? Similar way, we've already solved some problem. So we have to divide this 154 by some number. At first, we are dividing this 154 by 1. We'll get 154. If we want to divide this 154 by 2, we'll get 7 to 14. So 1 will be left. 14, that means 7 to the 4. Again, if we want to divide this 154 by 3, we cannot divide because the summation of 1, 5, and 4 is 10. That is not divisible by 3. So that's why we cannot divide this one by 3. Now try to solve it by 4. No, we cannot divide it by 4. What about 5? No, we cannot. 6? No, we cannot. So we can divide it by 7. 7 to the 14. 1 will be left, 14 will be there. 7 to the 14. Again, if we want to divide this 154 by 11, we'll get 14. These numbers are factors of 154. So we can say factors of 154 are 1, 2, 7, 11, 14, 22, 77, and 154. Very simple. Now, our last problem. Write down 3 multiples of 22. So we have to multiply this 22 by some number. Then the result will be the multiples of 22. Suppose if we want to multiply this 22 by 1, then we get 22. So this one will be called the multiples. Multiples. So if we want to multiply this 22 by 2, we'll get 44. Similarly, 22 multiplied by 3, that is 66. 22 multiplied by 4, that is 88. 22 multiplied by 5, that is 110. So these numbers actually are multiples of 22. So we have to just pick 3 numbers from them. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.